free ball if you don't mind, because the line, your penny lines would definitely show. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and thank you guys for stopping by. So today's video, I'll be doing a Aliexpress haul. I ordered some stuff in May. I know that I say I will slow down fast fashion, but the stuff that I ordered them before I did my closet clean out. If you haven't watched this video, please go watch it. I will link the link in the bio. So yes guys, I'll be doing an Aliexpress haul. There's a lot of trendy items I wanted, like dresses. Many of them were dresses, but they're kind of expensive, and the fabric, to me, it's not longevity, so I wanted to buy it from Aliexpress instead of spending big money. I know that sounds cliche, but anyways, I purchased some Instagram baddie Aliexpress items and I wanted to show it to you guys. First, I have this skirt. This is a Nike tennis skirt inspired, the split skirt or Insta, and I wanted to get my hands on one. And this one this is the back. The skirt comes with shorts, so your body won't be all out. If you bend over, you will be secure. This is how the body of the skirt looks like. It's super flowy, it's cute. It's a little bit tight for me. I can't finish close it, but I think it's true just fine. Maybe I gained some weight when I was away. That's why it looks like that. But I love the skirt. I will be wearing it, even though if I have to wear a shirt cover it so you don't see this mark, I will do that. I love it. This dress I saw it on all the IG baddie and I was like, I want this dress. It looks super cute, super sexy. The material doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't look cheap on me, to be honest, in person, and it's not see-through. I do think you should not wear penny with it if you don't want your penny line to show. You should free ball, but I think I'm still gonna wear some shorts under it. But the cut, I love the cut. The cut, it's like an A-line cut. So I really love the cut. I will insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. So I love the cut. I love the body. It's giving. And it makes my back look really good. It looks really good to me. It looks really good in person. And I got it in size large. All my outfits are in size large. And it's not big. I actually feel like bigger than me. I would say go one size up if you don't want it to be too close. Because this clothes is kind of like tight on my body, to be honest. But I love the color. It looks really good. I got this dress because it reminds me so much of spring. If you don't know, spring and summer is my favorite season. If you guys get it, I love summer, I love vibrant color. So this dress remind me of that. And also there's a girlie I saw on TikTok that had it on and I was like, okay, it looks good on her. We kind of have similar body type. It will look good on me. And I can agree, it does look good on me. Let me show you the back. The back looks really, really good. This doesn't have a symmetric line. This is like, it does have a ruche. You can make it short if you like. But I'm kind of tall, so I don't think I will make it shorter. And the ruche is only on one side. So I have this dress. This dress is very much club or brunch. Brunch if you're a risky girl, club because it's the club. But I love the cut. The cut is like in the middle. It's also in the back. Let me show you the back. This is the back. This is how the cut looks. And also the front part, you can adjust it. But the dress is a little bit too short. It's very skin tight, like it's literally stick to your skin. I don't think it's see-through, but I'm not wearing any bottom, so for the sake of this video, I'm not wearing any bottom to show you how it looks. But I do think you should wear some shorts under it or free ball if you don't mind, because the line, your penny lines would definitely show. And I don't think the dress is giving penny vibes. Leave the pennies at home, actually. That's literally what the dress is giving. I love the colors, yellow and orange mixed together. It looks really good on my skin complexion, and I think it will look good on melanin a lot. So I love the dress, I love the cut. It's giving body. It's giving what it's supposed to give. We outside, we outside, we outside. All summer 2021. We will be outside. I'll be outside. So I don't know what you're waiting on. You should be outside too. With me. Next up, I have this crossbody dress. I love how it is, but it doesn't come like that. I made it like that. You can tie it however you like, but I love how I tie it, and that's how the dress look online. I love it. But with this dress, like I said, leave the panties at home because you can see everything. This one is see-through. You can see everything. It's skin-like. I would say leave the panties at home. I love how it makes my body look. I feel like I look taller and like I look like I have like a Coca-Cola shape, but I don't. Because look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And orange look really good on my body. It's like we're magic. You know the vibe. So I love it. I love the. Okay, guys. Obviously, this dress is super see-through. I feel like you can wear it at the beach. If you're real risque baddie, I would say wear it however you like. But I do not feel comfortable showing my panties and my underwear. I'm simply naked. I'm not there yet. My confidence hasn't reached the peak yet. But like the dress, I love the color. I love how it looks. If you on Instagram, you know where this dress from. You know all the baddies are wearing it. It's a vibe. I love it. And this dress was on Megan Thee Stallion. I think the first time I saw it on Megan Thee Stallion. That's why I was inspired by it. It's giving baddie vibes. I love the dress, but I don't think I would be wearing it out because it's see-through and I'm not confident enough to like show my panties and my bras because you guys can see my panties and my bras right now. So I don't feel like going outside like that. It's too much, too much. But it's a beautiful dress. You can wear it over the beach. But the turtleneck, oh, this is suffocating me. The turtleneck is tight. So yeah, you can wear it as a top. I can wear it as a top and wear some pants under it. I could do that. But wearing it by itself to go outside, no. This dress is a no. I love the color, it looks good, but the way it's formed, like this is 3 loops and none of them are able to stay still. So it's just like, let's imagine you go outside with that. You will be naked outside. So it's a no for me. This dress is a no. It's literally a no. Like if I bend, my butt is out. Like honestly, this dress is literally just Instagrammable because girl, you cannot go outside like that. Like you cannot. I can't fathom going outside like that. Like I'm literally, no. This dress is only Instagrammable. Like let me turn around for you. I turn around and I have to hold down the dress because my butt is out. Like, no, this dress is a no for outside. I promise it's not it. It looks really good though. It's very Instagram ready, but outside, it's a no. Like, you know. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this AliExpress haul. Please let me know which item was your favorite. And let me know if you purchased from AliExpress. Have you purchased from AliExpress? And in your area, how long does it take for you to get the items? I know it depends on the vendor, the longevity it takes for you to get the item, but mine usually a month and a half. So yeah, please follow me on my other social media. Amanda Noir on Instagram, Amanda Noir on TikTok, Amanda Noir X on TikTok. I have 2 TikTok. I don't know why. I know why. One for fashion and beauty, the other one just beauty. But anyways, follow me on my other social media. I'm Amanda Noir on Instagram. I do post a lot of reels about my item way before they come to YouTube. If you want to see a glimpse before they come to YouTube, follow me on Instagram. I post my reel before I put my YouTube video up. So yeah, follow me on my other social media. Subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification post. And I will see you guys on my next video.